Hey everyone! Today, we're going to dig into a specific online betting offer, the 1xBet Bet the Hat bonus. You've probably seen these big numbers advertised, right? But what does it actually take to turn that bonus money into real, withdrawable cash? We're going to walk through exactly how to claim it and, maybe more importantly, uncover all the hidden rules you absolutely need to know. So this is the number that grabs your attention right away, 130%. But here's the thing. This isn't the standard deal you get just for signing up. No, this is an enhanced bonus, a VIP bonus, that you can only unlock with a very specific promo code. Let's see how that actually works.
So what's really the difference here? Well, if you sign up without a code, you're looking at the standard 100% match on your first deposit. It's pretty straightforward. But by using the code BETHIT, you juice that up by an extra 30%. It's a really simple change, but it means you start with a much bigger bankroll right out of the gate.
All right, so how do you actually get this bonus into your account? Let's get into the practical, step-by-step process. You know, it's not automatic. You don't just sign up and poof, there it is. Getting this specific bonus requires a few crucial steps that, honestly, are pretty easy to miss if you're not paying attention. So here's exactly what you need to do.
Okay, here are the 5 critical steps. You start by registering, obviously. Then, and this is probably the most important part, you have to enter that promo code BETHIT. From there, you must specifically choose the sports bonus, then fully complete your profile, and only then should you make your first deposit. Seriously, if you miss one of these steps, the whole thing just falls apart. And let's zoom in on step 3, because this is where so many people go wrong. During sign-up, you're going to see a choice between a sports bonus and a casino bonus. To get this 130% offer, you absolutely must select sports. If you pick the casino option, you lose out on this specific bonus completely. It's gone. And step 4 is another classic pitfall. The bonus will not be credited to your account until your profile is 100% complete. And I mean 100%. You have to go into your account settings, fill out every single field, and verify your phone number and email. Don't skip this, or the bonus just won't show up. Okay, so you did everything right, and the bonus is sitting in your account. Awesome. But this is the most critical part. You can't just withdraw it. Now we need to dive into the fine print, the rules that actually decide if you can turn this bonus into real money. So the key concept you need to understand is the wagering requirement. What is that? Well, think of it as the set of hoops you have to jump through. It's the rule book that tells you how much you need to bet and what kind of bets you have to make before that bonus money is officially yours to keep. And here they are, the 5 core rules you have to follow. First, the rollover is 5 times the bonus amount. We'll break that down in just a second. The bet type has to be accumulator bets only, so no single bets allowed. Each of those accumulators needs a minimum of 3 selections. The minimum odds are also key. At least 3 of those selections have to be at odds of 1.40 or higher. And finally, you've got a time limit of just 30 days to get all of this done. Let's start with that 5 times rollover. What does that mean? It's just a multiplier on the bonus you got. So for example, if you got a $100 bonus, you were required to place a grand total of $500 in qualifying bets before you can withdraw that bonus or any of the money you won with it. Next up, the rules say your bets must be accumulators. So what in the world is that? Well, it's a single bet that combines multiple different predictions, like, say, picking the winners of 3 different soccer matches all at once. But here's the catch. To win the bet, every single one of your predictions has to be correct. If even one loses, the whole bet is lost. And the rules for these accumulators are super specific. To even qualify, your bet slip has to have at least 3 separate events on it. And of those events, a minimum of 3 must have odds of 1.40 or higher. If your bet doesn't meet this exact structure, it's not going to count towards your wagering requirement. Simple as that. And finally, you're on the clock. You have exactly 30 days from the moment that bonus hits your account to meet every single one of these conditions. If you don't complete that 5-buy rollover with the right kind of bets by day 30, the bonus and any money you won with it just disappears. Poof, gone. Okay, I know that was a lot of details, so let's boil it all down to the absolute must-knows. If you remember nothing else from this explainer, please remember these points. So here it is, the entire bonus in a nutshell. Use the code BETHIT to get 130%. Make sure you choose the sports bonus. Complete your profile before you deposit. Then, you've got to tackle the wagering rules. A 5 times rollover on the bonus using only accumulator bets with very specific odds, all within a 30-day window. Every single piece is connected.
And of course, it's so important to remember that all of this is for informational purposes only. Online gambling always involves financial risk, and it is strictly for adults 18 and over. Please be responsible.
And this all leads us to one final, really important question. 130% bonus looks way better on paper than 100%, right? But as we've just seen, it comes with this really tight and tricky set of rules. So, is a bigger bonus always a better deal? The answer isn't really in the number itself, but in whether you can realistically navigate the fine print that comes attached to it.